Level 4. I see a group of Sasorinos unscrewing. They were like screwing a base. You're all defeated. My arm canyon is so powerful. The scorpions again. I really like beating the scorpion mini bosses. Level 5. Let's defeat them all. Let's go. Wow, I'm so powerful, even more than in the past years. Wow, Mr. Bigweld made me so powerful. New enemies, the Walk Blasters from Mega Man X3. Again, the Scorpion mini bosses. Again, the Scorpion. Level 6. Bursted all of you villains. Oh my god, there's some Apache Joes. Oh my god, the Apache Joes. Everything seems to be relaxing at the beginning. Oh my god, are those screwdriver enemies from Mega Man X2? But they're extremely simple to take out. I remember seeing them in my old Super Nintendo. Oh my god. Those new enemies are called Notter Bangers. Bam, 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 bam. Wow, new foes encountered. Toss Machines from Mega Man 5. And also, there is a part that I need to get from Bigweld. Oh, Rodney, listen to me very quick. First, you listen to me really quick. You got your first upgrade. Now your legs are quicker. Now, and you can do a dash in the sky. Thank you, Mr. Bigweld. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, the swoops from Super Mario World and New Super Mario Bros. Wii. I remember those. They were pretty annoying. Drill Mall. I mean, I think these ones are called actually these ones are called Molliers from Mega Man 6. Pew 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 pew. Again, the Scorpion mini bosses. Easy to take them out.